Okay guys, so simple trick on how to get keywords from another video. So for example, this video got 2 million views, and it's on the same theme, on the same topic what I'm talking about in my video. So what I would like to do is I would like to check on what keywords, what hashtags they are using. So I'm in Google Chrome, so right click on empty space, click on show code. It will show me source code of this video. Now I will click on Ctrl A on my keyboard, right? And here I will type keywords, like keyboard. Yeah, hit enter. Okay, nothing working. Let's go back. Uh, so I need to click on show web page code. So once again, yeah. So you see, like you should see like this, yeah. Now I click on Ctrl A, Ctrl F. I mean, type here keyword, and here we can see meta name keywords, yeah. And here are content. So this content is all keywords what are included in this video. So let's simply click on shift and I press right key to select all, and I'm checking where is the end of this keyword. So it's here. Okay, now I'll click on right click and click on copy. Now I can simply click on here on Windows bar, type here notepad, it will open notepad, and I will paste it keywords here. And now we can simply copy all these keywords and paste in your video what you are trying to upload on YouTube. And all keywords, search queries, what are used in that video will be in your video as well. Okay guys, hope this video lesson was good for you. If any questions, please comment under this video. Have a good day, bye.